With the world moving at such a fast pace, a 45-second presentation is not fast enough. Let's see the facts in 30 seconds. Most of the people do not join an MLM network because they can't believe that they can make it. Most do not believe that they can build a network of 1,000, 10,000 or even 100,000 people. I thought the same way until I found the product that is consumed by over 83% of the population on a daily basis. With a proven method which works for everyone, the product is coffee and the method is online networking. Coffee drinkers don't forget to drink their daily coffee. Coffee drinkers don't want to cancel their daily intake. Every coffee drinker knows several other coffee drinkers. The only question is, are you willing to try a different coffee? I know it's worth a try. Okay, time's up. 30 seconds. It's that simple. Every 30 seconds, over 120,000 cups of coffee are consumed across Europe. Want to join the action? Think of all the people you could send this video to. For more information, contact me now.